The once-in-a-lifetime invitation to space by Richard Branson of Virgin Galactic might be remembered in history as the first public offer that marks the beginning of space tourism. Although it will take decades and strong collaboration between space tech giants like SpaceX and Virgin Galactic for space tourism to become a reality. But how could this collaboration be? And who should champion it? Before we answer these questions, let's imagine what this future might look like. It's 2050 and space tourism has just begun. Human activities are gradually moving skyward, and interests soar beyond the sky. Space skeptics have found niche above Earth. Tourists, both young and old from all walks of life, drift to space for different reasons. Some, for scientific purposes, and others, for luxury. Space mission is now a global sport for astronauts, deep pockets, pilgrims and leaders of industries. Hospitality has never been better. The colonies are few but investors aim for expansion. Far away from Earth's orbits lie the little colonies of Mars aiming to compete favorably with Earth's. World-leading financial capitals like New York, London and Hong Kong remain pivotal to global economy, while Texas, Dubai and Hainan among others bubble with tourist on return trip to space. At this age, Bitcoin, Gridcoin and several other digital currencies are widely accepted for exchange of goods and services. Since the future is made of science, the future will reward with science. In the past, tourists visits Kenya to see African elephants, and Singapore for a selfie on Marina Bay Sand Tower. Today both humans and their pets travel to space at will. Space activities have gotten bigger that even the bad guys and irresponsible government from around the world are beginning to export cybercrime beyond the planet. This future might be as soon as 30 years from now, but can only be possible through collaboration. It is through collaboration the Wright brothers invented the plane. Through collaboration Larry Page and Sergey Brin brought the internet to our fingertips through Google. It's collaboration between man and woman that brings forth children. Industries that collaborate meets the future. Even Space Dynasty plans to grow through collaboration with other companies of interest. The existing privately owned space tech giants like SpaceX, Blue Origin and Virgin Galactic should collaborate in such a fashion that everyone concentrates their resources in areas they are found more skillful. This will take us to the permanent site in no time, and will create rooms for startups to come in and play crucial roles in bringing this future we dream of even closer. Take a look at the three space tech giants. They are all capable of takeoff from Earth to space and back to Earth safely, except that being in a rocket while it takes off, blasting off at normal to Earth's surface and in the opposite direction to gravitational pull is not exactly a joyride, a force of 3 grams sweeping down your blood and pressing every fiber in you. It's no roller coaster. How on earth will the old, the weak and the pregnant safely embark on this bumpy ride? But by assigning roles based on areas of strength of the tech giants will ease the difficulties. Virgin Galactic has the ability to taxi on the runway and takes off one knot at a time in such a fashion that everyone who does not constitute passenger airplane flight risk can simply hop into the spaceship and zoom to space from any airport from around the world. Isn't this beautiful? Even the hale and hearty will prefer this plane-like takeoff over the vertical blast-off by SpaceX and Blue Origin. On the other hand, SpaceX Elon Musk plans to build human colonies on Mars. Concentrating on moving humans and freight from moon colonies and space stations to Mars and vice versa will not be a bad idea after all. If 2 good heads are better than 1, then 3 will be a good start in order to build a home far away from home for mankind. Blue Origin can concentrate on building colonies on the surface of the moon or geostationary Earth orbits, or even beyond the graveyard orbits. These structures will serve as space resorts for tourists and pilgrims. So, what do you think? Space Dynasty believes that the future is built with collaboration. If you find this video interesting, why not give us a thumb up? See you next time.